Hello everyone. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a parametric family in Revit. I am using 2018 version. So let's start. First of all, select a new family file. Then you have to select the template for your work. So I'll be selecting the furniture template as I'm going to make a bench. This is how the screen looks. First of all, we need to make the reference plane. For that, RP is the shortcut key, or you can go here as well. Create 4 reference plane as the bench has 4 sides. Okay. Uh, now we need to add the dimensions to this. So click on modify to unselect anything that's been selected. Press DI for the dimension. Lock in place. Lock in place. Now again click on modify. Select the dimension. Then here create parameter. Click on this. Now name the parameter. For example, this is width. I am selecting the type font. Again click on the dimensions. Go to create parameters. This is going to be the length. Now lock in place. Now go to any elevation. So I am going to right elevation. Again we need reference plane for the back seat and the seat as well. So create 2 reference plane here. Name them. Suppose this is top. This is going to be the seat. Now again same thing, put the dimensions here. DI. Don't go for the continuous dimensions. Lock in place. DI. Lock in place. Now individually select the dimensions. Create parameter. This is back seat. Sorry, we can write seat height. Type. Okay. Select the dimensions again. This is going to be the legs. Okay, fine. Lock in place. Now go to reference level. We even need the legs here. So again RP. DI. Lock in place. Lock in place. Sorry, not here. DI. Lock in place. Lock in place. Fine. So go to reference level again. Now go to create extrusion. Set the reference plane first. So as I'm making the seat, so I'll go for the reference plane seat. Select rectangle. Lock in place. Lock in place. Okay. Check finish. Go to reference level. Here it is. You got the seat here. You can change the thickness as per you want, or you can put the parameter even. So I'm keeping it as it is. Fine. So now go back to reference level, create legs. No, sorry, we haven't created a parameter for the legs. So let's select all the dimensions for the legs and legs dimensions. Okay, fine. So we have created the parameter for legs as well. So now we have to create the legs. So go to create extrusion, select a reference plane for this. Again, you need to select the seat as well as the legs are going to be attached to the seat. Select a rectangle, done, done. Just lock in place here as well. I guess I have, okay, fine, done. Click finish, go to reference level, sorry, right elevation and adjust as per your requirement. So, yeah, so lock here. Now if you go to 3D, you will get something like this. Looks like a normal table, I guess. Again, go to reference level. Now we need to create the back seat. So again, go to extrude. Sorry, we haven't given the reference here also. Yeah, fine. It's on seat. So lock in place. Fine. Click finish. Done. Again, go to any elevation. Set as per you need. Lock it here and lock it here. So now go to 3D. The bench is ready now. Now just to show you what a parameter does here is now you can change the dimensions as per your requirements. So suppose legs are let's make it 3 feet, not three, like 2.5 feet. Apply. Legs height has increased. uh, Sorry, changed. Legs have changed. Legs height have changed. Now legs dimensions we can change. We can make it 6 inches. You can see the changes. Length we can make it 6. Apply. Or just keep it to 2.5 or 3. Width as well we keep it 3 feet. And this 3.5 feet looks like a decent chair though. Click OK. So this is the parametric chair. Now if you want to add some, let's first of all let's look this into realistic view. So go to realistic. This is how the chair looks. And now make it fine so you will have more detailed work visible. These are the different views, isometric views that you can keep your model into. Fine. So now if you are willing to change the material, select the I'll select the complete chair. I'll make it into a same material. So here, after material browser will open, and now go to any physical properties. Then you just have so many options here. I'll go for birch yellow because it's not available. Click OK, and you have the chair. You can change the material as per your need. And again, I'll go to the libraries here. Bamboo, apply. Okay. So thank you for watching. Hope you like the video and see you in the next one. Thank you so much.